He deals with Islamic youth and is assistant to the Secretary General. Islamic Conference Youth Forum is the only organization that covers all OIC countries for dialogue, is partner for regional growth in the United Nations Alliance of Civilizations initiative, initiated by Spain and Turkey. So we will hear on youth and innovation technologies. Thank you.
Ms. Chair, Your Excellency Minister, distinguished guests, dear colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allow me to start with availing myself of this opportunity on behalf of Islamic Conference Youth Forum for Dialogue and Cooperation to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation to the government of Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus for hosting this utmost important event in this beautiful country. Excellent arrangements and skillful organization of this event is a sign of tireless efforts invested by organizers. It's my honor and privilege to present here an organization which by its mandate and more importantly nature of its constituency stands for the interest of the most populous yet the less attended social strata of Islamic world, Muslim youth. It's not an easy task. Young Muslims are living in the world which is engulfed and fragmented by many urgent problems, significant challenges triggering disappointment, frustration, misunderstanding and misperceptions. Muslim youth also experience the multifaceted nature of globalization while feeling its challenge and dynamism at the same time. Following the recognition as the OIC affiliated institution and establishment of its headquarters in Istanbul in 2006, Islamic Conference Youth Forum for Dialogue and Cooperation started its activities in three major directions. First is fighting the growing threat of Islamophobia. Secondly, increasing international standard of organized OIC youth. And thirdly, the most importantly, strengthening the capacity of active youth organizations through trainings and other forms of non-formal education. Everyone here will agree on the importance of youth to overcome the challenge humanity, in particular youth, are facing today and to build a better world for all humanity. However, we, the Muslim countries, are far from having strong and effective mechanisms to address the problems we are facing today at large and those of Muslim youth in particular. Maybe it is conditions of examination by Allah Ta'ala Almighty that most of the Islamic countries possess natural resources like oil and gas, which is considered by others as they are being lucky. But I believe that the most important luckiness of the Islamic countries is their youth potential, constituting around 40% of their population averagely. Having this said, I would like to underline that it is a vital duty today to provide youth with normal conditions for education and enlightenment, avoiding unemployment and its outcomes. For this purpose, Islamic Conference Youth Forum for Dialogue and Cooperation, along with its partners, in particular Muslim scholars from the Western universities, has prepared a special report, namely State of Muslim Youth 2011. I would like to bring to your attention some part of this report related with the youth and innovation. There have been several reports in recent years highlighting the situation of human development in the world, for example, the United Nations Human Development Reports, the Arab Human Development Reports, the World Bank's Global Development Reports, and etc. While these studies are highly commendable in their efforts to increase capacities of world populations and thus contribute to peace and stability globally, no report has attempted to gather the pulse and state of youth development and specifically in the countries that comprise the Organization of the Islamic Cooperation, the second largest international organization in the world with 57 member states. In today's world of rapid globalization, technological advancement and economic opportunity, youth play an increasingly important role in the political, social and economic realms and are widely recognized as integral players in achieving peace and development. Youth are eager to participate, but they often lack the resources and support they need. They must be empowered to become open participants and decision makers in economic, political and social process. This report has been written with this aim in mind. As youth are one of the most critical components of development, and youth in Muslim countries face numerous global and specific challenges to development, the importance of a study of this kind cannot be underscored. The benefits of information communication technologies for OIC countries and development are numerous. For example, the World Bank showed that each 10 percentage points of broadband penetration results in 1.21% increase in per capita GDP growth in developed countries and 1.38% increase in developing countries. Another study found that among developing countries, a 10% increase in mobile phone penetration contributed to a 0.59% increase in GDP per capita when compared to similar countries. According to the UNDP, recent events in the Middle East and North Africa have vividly shown to the world the critical role that both democratic governance and information and communication technologies can play in fostering human development.